Hey everybody, I want to talk to you a little bit about file types and extensions. And these are important because the extension on the end of the file name of your file is what tells the computer what program to open to view that file. So if you have a document you made in Microsoft Word but you don't have the extension on the file name, the computer will ask you, well, what program do you want to open this file with, because it doesn't make the correlation automatically. So let me explain what extensions are first. When you come here into your My Computer, you see your folder here and a bunch of files. Each one has a different icon, and so in this case they have extensions and the computer knows what program to open to see them, but it's not showing you the extension here at the end. To get that, you go up here to Tools, Folder Options, and you're going to go to View, which kind of makes sense. You're changing the view choices in your folders. And right down here it says Hide Extensions for Known File Types. If you decheck that and then go here to OK, now I can see at the end here my dot and my extension. And these 3 or 4 letters and numbers are important because that's what tells the computer what kind of file this is. So in this case, it's a music file, and I can tell that from the number sign there, but also from this tells me exactly what kind of music file. And that's important because some of them have protections written in, so you can't import them into videos that you're making and things like that. So the type of music file makes a difference. And over here under type you can also hover and it'll say what it is, or you could make this a little bit bigger and be able to see each thing. So here's a music. Here is PowerPoint, and it tells you that here, PowerPoint presentation. I know from the X though at the end that this is PowerPoint 2007 or greater. So the X makes a difference. If you just had PPT, it would be an earlier version of PowerPoint. Still PowerPoint file, it's just not a 2007. It's something earlier than 2007. Alright, here we have a JPG, which is an image, a picture. An executable file here, a .exe. This is important and unique because this is actually an application, and that means it's an actual program. If I double clicked on that, it's going to open this program. If I double click on any of these other things, it's going to either open a music file or a Word file or Excel file, something like that. But this is an actual program. This is significant because if you ever get an email with something attached that is a .exe, it's probably a virus or a bad thing. People don't email applications. People want you to pay for applications. So anytime you got a .exe, be very cautious. And I just, as a rule, do not open it. I've never gotten one through email. That was a good thing. Okay, so exe is an executable file, and it means it's an actual program, an actual application. Here's an Excel file. It does not have the X on the end, so I know it's an earlier version, and the pop-up shows me there 2007, or excuse me, 97 through 2003 worksheet. A document, so this is also an earlier version of Word. It's not 2007. If it had an X, then it would be. HTML means it's a web page. If I double clicked on this, it's going to take me somewhere on the internet. MP4, this is actually a video, and it says a movie on it, which is kind of helpful. It's a little bit confusing because this says it's a MPEG 4, and so is this. This is audio only though, and this one's a movie. This is also an image. A PNG is an image, not used very common. Most commons are JPG. JPGs up here. Here is a newer version of Excel, 2007. A newer version of Microsoft Word, 2007. And lastly, a PDF. So you can see that the extensions make a difference, and they are important. If you got a file and you didn't know what the extension was, you could Google. I Googled list of file extensions by type. I got this Wikipedia page, and it's got every acronym that could be an extension, and then it tells you exactly what it is. I'm sure if I clicked here they'd give me examples. So that is extensions and why they're important.